Hi, and welcome to Scopito. Scopito is a piece of cloud-based software for visual inspections. Cloud-based means you can access it anywhere that has internet and easily collaborate with colleagues across distances. You can use Scopito to store and organize your inspection images and data. You can analyze visual inspections really easily and quickly, adding comments, severities, and remedy actions to each issue you find, and you can create a full report of those analyzed inspections with a single click. For those with many assets to inspect, Scopito offers visual overview and in-depth data on those assets based on inspection analysis data. If you want to try Scopito, you can do so at no cost by clicking here and creating a trial user. It will expire after 14 days. If you want to continue past the trial period, you can add a credit card. We have a tutorial on that which you can find right here.